Hello everyone, Ray Rider here, wanting to welcome you to my TNT Red Devil Assortment unboxing right here. I bought this on sale at a local TNT Fireworks shop, which was on sale for 20 bucks with tax. Anyways, I looked online and I see the normal price is about $30, but the store I bought it from, the normal price is 40, so whatever, go fig. And you heard my rant before about TNT if you watched my um, haul that I bought from that store, which I don't go to that often, even though it's the nearest fireworks store for me. Here you go. Here's the box itself. It's about 2 foot, 2.5 feet. Here's the size comparison. Here's a box of Excalibur's shells. You can see that it's about a little over half, maybe 2/3 the size of the Excal's box. I use this as a gauge for size comparison and pricing from stores, the Excal's. But anyways, that's size comparison if you're interested in the size and what's in it. I looked online. This is the Ariel Fireworks assortment. They have a safe and sane version of this, but also this version, I don't know, this is probably an older version of the assortment, because what I saw online on the TNT website is a different name and just a little different than the assortment too. And it doesn't have this thing on across that says Ariel Fireworks, shoots in the air. But here's the box itself. I'll show it again and see if you haven't seen my other video. Some safety tips. TNT Consumer Fireworks, and I guess, yep, there's more stuff here. The box here shows, let me go see if I can. There you go. Box here shows some stuff. It shows content 25 pieces, 1 fountain, 3 combinations, 6 morning glories, 9 specialty items, and 9 multi aerials. 26 pieces. So let's see if there is 26. I haven't counted 26 so far. So here we go. Give me a minute while I get something to open this up with. Okay, Red Devil Fireworks. Okay. Let me go remove the plastic here. The cellophane. Okay, that's a sticker there. Okay, first off, wow. We have a single shot crackling red star TNT small display shell, single shot. Shoots flaming balls, typical. About 1.25 inches. And the patented glow fuse, which I don't care much about because you were using a lighter and you could actually illuminate lights and find the fuse with the light to light it up, unless you use a punk. But even the punk, you could still illuminate some light. Here's another one. Multicolored stars. And I can't really pronounce that. Chrysanthemum. Or chrysanthemum. Okay, whatever. Here's the display looking. The display Second off is here's some small single shots rocket shooters. It says these are 3-piece sky shooters. I don't see what year this is because I'm not. It doesn't tell me what year. Let's go open this up real quick and see one item. Excuse me while I open this back. Okay, here's one of the sky shooter. It doesn't tell you what. Doesn't have a picture of the display, but yeah. No timestamp of what lot or anything like this is. Oh well. And no offense to you people that love TNT, but my expectation is not very high on a lot of this stuff. But like I said, I bought these for $20, so hopefully I'll get my money's worth. It's back. Okay, next up, I can move this. Actually, move that. All right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 morning glories. Nothing pickle, just wooden sparklers. That's basically what they are. A lot of states banned the old metal sparklers and now allow morning glories because, first off, they're biodegradable and yeah, and it doesn't really. Well, it still will cause harm if it's lit, but the sparklers, remember how they used to still be glowing after all the chemicals they used to light it up burn up. Anyway, it's still there. Next up, what is this? This is Pyro Fan. Emits showers of spark. This is the one. Oh, this is the one fountain, I assume. Glow fuse, it's saying up there, which they proudly display all the time. It's small. Again, I have no expectations, high expectation on any of this. Just rather low. Next up, it is Ground Blasters. 6 pieces, emits crackling spark. So basically, hold on a second while I open this. No. This is not what I thought it was. Oops, sorry. It's not what I thought it was. It's, yeah, probably some kind of novelty item. You see it, it's like a cone shape wrapped in a black paper and has a few sticking out. So, yeah, ground blaster. I thought it was little snaps that you throw on the ground, but something I'll try out later on tonight, probably. Put that back. All right, shooting comet. Now we'll do this one here. Another display shell. This is a blue star with crackle and silverfish. All right, that's number 3. Number 4, we got a shooting flaming ball magic exclusive. This I don't know nothing about. One shot purple tail up. Single shot. You feel here, yeah. Well, it's kind of an illusion here because it's probably an inch tube that's in here. You see it? The indentation. I would think that this is probably one of those hybrid. Starts off with a small little fountain effect and then it shoots it out. But I guess I could do a demo of this if there's none in YouTube. When it comes to demos for me, I do not do demos if there's like other people who have already done it because, I try to be original. I don't want to do like, say here, like my Excalibur, do like my 2 minute, or do a 2 minute demo of Excalibur or whatever. But anyway, here's Shooting Comet, 8-shot, small cake. Again, not expecting 100-shot Saturn missile battery. Here's a fuse. Oh, a larger. Oh, something's moving in here. Yeah. Okay, Silver Stars Barrage, 42-shot. Okay, I know exactly what it is. Just shooting. 42-shot. Something feels so light and shoots out 42. Yeah. I don't know about that, but we'll see. Another Star Barrage, green. Star Barrage, also 42. Shoots falling cleans. Okay. Last one. It's excuse me. It's a small cake, a tubular sized cake. How many shots is this? 7-shot blue star with report. Yeah. And that's about it. Let me see here what we got here. This thing says it comes with 25 p. Ooh, what's this? Celebrate safety with state-approved fireworks. Use only state fire marshal approved fireworks purchased from authorized booths. Make sure that you and your children celebrate the 4th of July safely by following all the safety tips. Oh, well. Free stuff. TNTFireworks.com. You get like stickers or whatever, small posters, but just cheap swag. Okay, that's it. That's in this unboxing. They say 25. Yep. So let's see if there's 25. Here's 6. I'm sure they count this as 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. 19, and oh yeah, they're going cheesy on us. The ground blast just counts as 6, so add that, it'll be 25. Okay. Technically, they're right. They say that is 25 pieces, but yeah, they cheese it. Anyway, that's it. Do I think this is worth $20? Yeah. 30, you'll be kind of stretching it. If you pay 40, no. $40, you can get better stuff like this. At the retail level, just for one box, you can buy an Excalibur around where I live for about $50 if you buy it by the case. If you buy it by the case, it'll end up being about $36, $37 each. Then again, you have to buy in bulk. But this, $20, yeah. 30, yeah, and 40, definitely not. Anyway, thanks for watching my video, and catch you guys later. Bye.